Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Wilson A2000 baseball glove. The 11.75-inch glove is a good size for a smaller second baseman. Wilson's SC 1975 SS middle infield glove is a fantastic, popular, durable, and top-of-the-line option. Despite the fact that there are a few others in the 11.75 that would take first place in this category, we love the superskin back and the shallow H-web. The spin control in the palm of this glove is something we really like. On the downside, the glove is difficult to work with, so be patient. Dual welting in Wilson gloves goes beyond a mere cosmetic effect, as it's integrated into the liner of each infield, outfield and pitcher's model, offering better support and helping your glove hold its shape better over time. Super Skin is a microfiber material that's half the weight of pro stock leather, but twice as durable. Its moisture-resistant design extends the longevity of the glove, and is easier to clean than traditional leather. Flat finger binding gives players who prefer to play with a finger outside the glove greater comfort and control in the field. By reducing the amount of space between your finger and the back of the glove, you'll experience less pain. Featuring our Pro Luxe leather, the liner of the redesigned A2000 has a richer, softer feel against your hand. The all-new comfort sleeve is the finishing touch, counseling the binding in the wrist for more comfort than ever before. Our second best baseball gloves is Rawlings Preferred Baseball Glove. This is a Dick's Sporting Goods exclusive glove, but it ticks all the boxes for the player looking for a great glove at a fair price. DSG's ability to stay in business is due to their unrivaled distribution, which allows them to persuade major manufacturers to produce the item they know the public wants. This highlights 11.5-inch glove is exactly what many players require and can be put to excellent use. Player-preferred gloves are designed for players of various ages and skill levels, but is recommended to be used in recreational baseball and slow-pitch softball. These gloves let players scoop up grounders and grab fly balls with relative ease. Various models in this series will feature either a padded Velcro wrist strap or a pull strap with zero-shock sting reduction technology that allows every player to create a customized fit around their wrist and hand that is most comfortable. With the soft, flexible shell and lining materials, catching is made easy with the player-preferred glove series. An 80% factory break-in means the glove is game-ready right out of the box and requires little player break-in. Quick and easy break-in for a game-ready feel. Pro Micro Lining. Conventional back with a flex loop Velcro strap for an easily adjustable fit. Third in our list is Rawlings Hide Baseball Glove. Designed for infield players, this Heart of the Hide R2G 11.75-inch Pro I-Web glove was designed to replicate Francisco Lindor's game day pattern. This is yet another top-of-the-line model, and it is stunning. It makes use of steer leather known as Heart of the Hide, which comes from the top 5% of quality from the center of the steer hide. It's a very comfortable glove that does a fantastic job of protecting your hand from line drives. A padded palm and thumb loops are included, as well as a soft full-grain finger back lining. This version has a narrow fit and a Pro H webbing design and measures 11.75 inches. The finger stalls are tighter and the wrist opening is narrower with the narrow fit. World-renowned Heart of the Hide baseball glove leather is cut from the top-quality steer hides. High-end, comfortable feel thanks to the deer tan cowhide palm lining and soft full-grain fingerback linings. Number 4 in our best baseball gloves list is Rawlings Renegade Baseball Glove. Rawlings Renegade Youth First Base model features single-post double-bar web, which gives it a stretchable web and forms a snug secure pocket which allows the ball to stick and not bounce. With its 11.5-inch pattern, this glove is designed only for the first base position at the youth level. Game ready right off the shelf, the Renegade series delivers quality at an affordable price. Equipped with a full-grain leather shell for durability and shape retention, the Renegade gloves feature a deep flexible pocket for baseball or softball use and a palm pad for added impact protection. Rawlings Renegade gloves are designed for players of various ages and skill levels, but is recommended to be used in recreational baseball and slow-pitch softball. These gloves let players scoop up grounders and grab fly balls with relative ease. Various models in this series will feature either a padded Velcro wrist strap or a pull strap with zero-shock sting reduction technology that allows every player to create a customized fit around their wrist and hand that is most comfortable. With the flexible shell, mesh back, and soft lining materials, catching is made easy with the Renegade glove series. A 90% factory break-in means the glove is game ready right out of the box and requires little player break-in. Our last pick is Wilson A900 baseball glove. The Wilson A900 series baseball glove is an excellent value for money. Infielders will appreciate the variety of sizes and H-web design. The low-profile heel is a bonus for tackling grounders with vigor. The A900 is available in both left and right-handed versions from Wilson. The full leather construction, which includes Cheyenne penny leather, ensures a long-lasting glove. The Pedroia fit refers to the mitt's ability to function well and close quickly even with smaller hands. This glove is game ready, so you won't have to break it in over the winter by wearing it around town. This heart of the hide 11.75-inch mod trap web glove will give you the confidence to handle any ground ball that comes your way. World-renowned heart of the hide baseball glove leather is cut from the 5% of steer hides. There's no long winter break-in or sore knuckles punching the leather. A leather shell, laces and palm liner create this full leather glove. Double palm construction and a low profile heel give the glove flexibility while maintaining stability.